So Xiaomi is all set to launch the Mix 4 flagship on 10th this month. This is something which is going to set a base, you can say, starting of new devices without any notches or hole punch. Yes, we are entering a new era in terms of smartphone design. This is the Xiaomi Mix 4 official poster from Mi Store. You can see we have a full screen display. Yes, that is the highlight of this show. Some live image showing off the close look to the Xiaomi Mix 4 design. You can see a subtle curve edge which looks nice. Best part about this is superior design means you won't see any glitch patch area as seen in this video. You can notice it only when display is turned off. Now this is the rear design of Mix 4. You can see looks quite similar to Samsung Note 20. The main sensor looks massive, followed by periscope lens, some sort of listing on side. On second row there is another camera, likely macro plus wide, some sensors and long LED flash. Yeah, the overall finish looks decent in my opinion. Xiaomi is always on fine line when it comes to image processing. One can always use Gcam to get next level images with Xiaomi's top line hardware. This teaser image also shows Xiaomi Mix 4 is coming with ultra wideband tech, which is a radio based communication for short range use. It can detect your smart home devices with an ease. The performance specification sounds great cause Mix 4 got listed on Geekbench. It has got Qualcomm's 888 Plus CPU, MIUI 12.5. The single core score is 1127, multi-core hits 3687. Xiaomi officially confirms this device is China exclusive and no plans to launch it outside China. So again, as I said in my last video, it is a limited edition device. I'll try to get my hands on it. You will see all the comparisons and battery drain tests right on my channel. So make sure to subscribe. Some more news coming in. Xiaomi is launching the Mi Pad 5. The official teaser images is now out. This tablet is gonna have a Mi Pen, is gonna have Mi Keyboard. So it is overall something similar to Apple's iPad. But again, all comes down to the software, which iPadOS is far superior than MIUI. Final icing on the cake, Xiaomi destroyed Samsung and Apple and was the top selling brand of all time in June. Yes, we all recently saw Xiaomi taking over Apple for the second spot of top selling devices in Q2, and in a few months they'll grab the first position from Samsung too. Samsung always making overpriced mid-range devices. They think there is no competition, but they are making space for Xiaomi. So if all goes like this, we are seeing Xiaomi the top selling brand, which is something they deserve. That's all guys, thanks so much for watching.